today I hope this video will teach you about how to make YouTube videos. So yeah, if you watch my YouTube channel videos, then this will help you. So here's how we make our YouTube videos. After this video, you'll always talk about it. Let's well hope this video will bring that question mark face into a face that will know how to do stuff. First thing, turn on your device and go to the Clips app. So this is how we do it. We go to the Clips app. Then yeah, you can see my face. Step 2, put on posters and pick a poster. Whoops, that's a mistake. When you log in, there's no sign-ups. So usually here, this is me. You go here. Then you choose the poster you want, like example like this thing. And then step 3, type your YouTube channel or your name or anything. So right now there's the year 3000 events here. So then you just
subscribe.
So do this, tap it, press this thing, and then let's, for example, cake. Yeah. Step 4, hit the red button and swipe it up. So this red button, it's pink on my screen, but here it is, the red button. You do this.
He's doing a belly suplex.
Or you could do this.
No, who did that?
Step 5, press the camera before you do. Press the camera button. But before you do, swipe down or let go of the recorded. It will save. Don't worry, it will save. So usually here.
You call this a belly suplex?
Don't know.
Yeah.
So yeah. Anyways, I think So I'm gonna put this on the camera and you could see me again. And then press those again. Hi, I'm Calvin Barbasa, and this is my first YouTube channel. Yeah, I don't know what I'm saying. Step 6, when you are done, hit the save button to save it. So here, this is gonna waste it. This is the waste. Save video.
I'm gonna be as a pass for you.
Yeah.
Look, come here.
Okay, guys. I'm just gonna. Oh my goodness. So yeah, anyways, press this button and I already saved it, and then now here, where is it? Step 7, I already did that. Put to the camera. So like this. So yeah, then you put the camera, this already, you save video. Wait. Step 8, go to YouTube. Yep. If you're here, go to YouTube and stuff like that. So this is stuff I watch. So step 9, go to the camera button right here. Step 10, choose your video that you want to post. This is the video. Am I actually going to post this? Yes. So then you press the next button. Then you put your title, test. Then you hit next and put your title. Then hit upload. Then it will go to your channel. Wait. Okay, yeah. So after that, you have a YouTube channel. Yay! So then, you just watch it. Then. Hi, I'm Calvin Barbasa, and this is my first YouTube channel. Yup. So, there are other YouTube channels I made. Okay, if you want to learn how to do this, I'll show you. Tell you how to do that. So usually, you just go here, go back to clips, press this thing, This one is like, you can make yourself a comic book. I look cool here. Aged film, inked.
I got a friend in it.
Like this. Play. Example. Look. Hi.
Can't see it. Hi.
Stickers. I use this one the most.
I got a friend in me.
The cool thing about these stickers are that, I'll show you later actually. You can put emojis too, like. Then, if you want, I don't know what this does, but I'm going to use it anyways. You can't size them. So yeah, here it is. There's a burger over there. There's a fry over there. There's a piece of fire over here. There's fire over here, and a UFO. And that would be it for today. Bye.
Peace out. Whoa, I look weird. I'm kind of creepy.